Welcome to the world of history. Let us see about the great unsung warrior of the War of 1857. The Lion King of India. Prithviraj Chauhan. These are the areas ruled by Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan's empire at its zenith. Early life. Prithviraja is popularly known as Chauhan or Roy Pitora. Prithviraj, a king from Chauhan Chahama dynasty who ruled the territory of Sapaladalaksha with his capital at Ajmer in present-day Rajasthan. Prithviraj was born to the Chahama king Someshwara and queen Karpura Devi. Both Prithviraj and his younger brother Hariraja were born in Gujarat. Prithviraj moved from Gujarat to Ajmer when his father Someshwara was crowned as the Chahama king after the death of Prithviraja II. Someshwara died in 1177 CE when Prithviraj was around 11 years old. Prithviraj, who was a minor at the time, ascended the throne. The Karatara, Gacha and Patawali mentions a peace treaty between Prithviraj and Bhima II, the Chalukya king of Gujarat. This implies that the two kings were previously at war. This war can be dated to sometime before 1187 CE. The Veravel inscription states that Bhima's prime minister Jagadeva Pratihara was the moon to the lotus queen of Prithviraja, a reference to the belief that the moonrise causes a day blooming lotus to close its petals. About Sanyagida. Sanyagida Chauhan was the wife of Prithviraj III. Prithviraj was made an epithelium of Prithviraj of Gandhara Vivah by tax. Coincidence is counted in important events in Indian history. Sanyagida from Prithviraj's 13 Ravanis was very transformative. Sanyagida was known by names such as Tilotama, Kannadi, Sangutka, etc. His father was the king of Jayachand of Kanuj, who helped Gori against Prithviraj in the war. Prithviraja dies on February 1192 at the age of 26. After Prithviraj's death, Muhammad installed the Chahama prince Govindaraja on the throne of Ajmer, which further supports this theory. This presentation is done by Jasita of 9th standard, studying in Sri Sankara Vidyalaya Higher Secondary School, ECR, Laspet, Puducherry.